Welcome to Mathzip, Cambridge Checkpoint Mathematics Coursebook 8. We are in Unit 1 Integers, Powers and Roots. Last video we have completed 1 to 7 of Arithmetic with Integers exercise 1.1, and this video we are starting from number 8, and at least we will try to solve 4 to 5 math by this video. So please keep attention, this is very important for you. Let's get started. We know, but let's think again, like plus times plus, it will be plus. Plus times minus, it will be minus. Plus, here is minus times plus, it will be minus. And finally minus times minus, it will be what? Plus. So it's very important. Let's start. Question 8. Work out these multiplications. We know number tables like 5 times 4, it's a simple thing, 20. But once 5 times minus 4, it will become minus 20, right? Because this 5 is positive times this 4 is negative. So minus and plus, once we multiply, it will become minus, right? So next, 8 times 6 is a 48, and here is minus, so it will become minus. Similar thing, 4 times 5 is 20, and minus times minus, it will be plus. So here is only 20 equal 6 times 10 is 60, minus and minus, once you multiply, it will be plus. So only 60. 2 times 20, it will be 40, and here is minus, and before 20 is a plus, so minus and plus multiply, it will be minus. Number 8 done. Number 9, work out this division. First, here is 20 divide 10. Very simple, 20 divide 10, it's only 2, right? So we can write here 2, but here is a minus sign, so we should put in here. It means once we divide plus with minus, it will become minus. It's a normal thing. Here is minus 30 divide 6, so it's a minus 5. Minus 12 divide minus 4, so look, minus 12 divide minus 4, so minus and minus, once we divide, it will become plus. 4 divide 4, it will be 3, so answer is 3. Minus 50 minus 5, so minus and minus divide, it will become plus. 50 divide 5 is a 10. Simple. 16 divide 4 is a 4, and here is a minus sign, so here is minus. So number 9 done. Number 10, write down two correct division expressions. Number 10, write down two correct division expressions. 4 times minus 10, it's a multiplication, which is minus 40. Minus 20, look, 20 divide 5 is a 4, and here is minus. Number C, minus 100, because minus 20 times 5. Minus 20 divide minus 8, look, minus 40 minus 8. So first minus and minus, once you divide, it will become plus. 40 divide 8, it should be 5. So our answer is 5. Again, minus 12 and minus 4, minus and minus, once you multiply, it will be plus. Number 11 is very interesting and important math. Look, here are some multiplications. In each case, use the same numbers to write down two correct division expressions. If you know the family fact, suppose 4 times 2 equals to 8, right? So same thing, we can write 8 divide 4, which is 2, and similar 8 divide 2, we will get 4. Here is also same thing. First, number 1, we have to make two correct division expressions.
12 times
So
4
first,
is a
minus
48.
15 divide 5, we will get minus 3. Number 2, same, minus 15 divide minus 3, we will get plus 5, right? Number B, here is minus 8 times minus 4, it will be plus 32. But if we divide this 32 by minus 8, we will get minus 4. Similar, 32, if we divide by minus 4, we will get minus 8, right? Again, number C, minus 6 times 7, it will be minus 42. So 42 divide 7, we will get minus 42 divide 7, we will get minus 6. Same, minus 42 divide minus 6, we will get plus 7. So this is up to 11. So thank you very much being with me. We are trying to solve coursebook Cambridge Checkpoint Mathematics 8. We are in exercise 1.1, and from up to today we have completed number 11. Next video we will start from number 12. Till then, keep practice and don't waste your time. Thank you.